This is a short description of how to adjust the flame on your gas range. This is for a THOR 48-inch range and oven unit. It's called the TKG4801. And so that was a tricky part of it. We had to switch it from natural gas over to liquid propane. It was a $100 kit that we had to buy. And I had to change all the ports. And then the other thing that I imagine a lot of people have trouble with is figuring out, because the instructions aren't very clear, on how to adjust the flame on these. And they probably will need to be adjusted. So for the range part, all you do is you come over here. For example, if I want to change this one here, I take this off, just grab it firmly and pull this off. And then take this flathead, long, thin flathead, and you stick it up in there. You can't really see it from there, but if you take a flashlight and look up at about 10 o'clock on this, you'll see there's a little set screw. It's a little flathead, and you turn that to adjust the flame. So that's pretty cool, and you just adjust it. I think counterclockwise increases the flame, the amount of flow, and then clockwise lessens it. But with a little bit of trial and error, you'll figure it out. That is for the range. And so you just go down through and do all those that way. Pretty simple. And then this one is for the oven. So I've got my big broiler oven here, and then we call this the bread oven down here, as well as the griddle right up here. These are different. These are, pull them off here, same way. And then this is a bit different. If you look in here, on this, you come around this side, and there's a special groove on this guy. If you go down there with a special screwdriver, like I have a jeweler's set, eyeglasses screwdriver, whatever you call them, and get one like this, long and thin, anything like this will work. But you go in there and reach down, you'll see a little blob of silicone, and that you just reach in and try to fish that out. Try to break it up and get it out. It's at the very end. Once that's out, you could take that flathead or maybe a little bit bigger one. I used this one here, right here. It's the biggest one I've got in this set. And you stick it right down in there, and you'll find it'll slide right into the flathead. Counterclockwise increases the temperature, clockwise decreases it. And we stuck a digital thermometer in there in the oven, and until we got that to match the proper temperature. It took about 20 minutes for all of them, checking this one, and the griddle. This is a really good thermometer. I don't have it on site, but I can show it to you right here. It's something like this. It's a great digital thermometer. You know, you can buy these on Amazon. They got a probe. Just turn them on, stick it in here, close it up, and then just keep testing it until it goes up, matches the correct setting. So a lot of times you just set on 350 like we did, keep adjusting it until you get to the right temperature. All right, good luck. I hope that helped. It took us about 2 hours of searching on YouTube and taking the oven apart and doing different things. So hopefully that helps you get your oven set up the way you want it, the ports and all the heat just the way you'd like it, and reading accurately so you can bake your cookies. All right, have a good one.